Welcome to TV Hotline, it's Melik here. In this video I'm going to talk about the Scratch platform, coding platform. It's built by MIT, it's a university in United States. If you want to learn how to program, how to code, how to write a code, you need to start from scratch. As in the idiom, you need to start learning from scratch. Because Scratch is a program, you can learn coding easily. It's working with drag and drop system, and it's visualized. It's targeting kids more than adults, and it's not very hard to learn at all. Scratch is very similar to other programming languages, so if you want to learn how to code, you need to start from scratch, and you can swap the other programming languages like C#, C++, or Visual Basic, Visual Studio, any other programming languages you want to learn. You can really easily swap after you start from scratch. So what can you do when you code with Scratch? You can build animations, little games, and animated short movies, etc. Scratch has two platforms. One of it is on the web and one of it is on the desktop. The web platform allows you to socialize because you can share your projects with other Scratch users. But on the desktop platform, you can use Scratch offline mode. You don't need an internet connection to use Scratch on desktop platform, but you need to have an internet connection to use it on the web platform. Scratch, as I said before, is very easy to learn because it has too many languages inside. I didn't count how many languages it has, but it has too many languages. Maybe one of the languages is your native language, so you can learn in your native language how to code. And it's fully translated those other languages, so it's not like sort of third-party translation. The system, the Scratch, originally has those languages inside. You don't need to learn the structure of the language, the Scratch language. You just need to know what code does what, and that's enough. So, who can use Scratch? Scratch is basically targeted to kids, but if you want to learn how to code, and if you are an adult, and if you have absolutely no idea how to code, you can start from scratch. You can learn coding with Scratch and then swap to other languages after you learned Scratch. So don't be afraid to learn coding system. You just need to install, or you can reach from the web, and you can start coding with Scratch easily. And that's it. It's the end of the video. See you next time.